Hello everyone, I'm Myra from Caterpillar. Today I'm going to take you up to our product, the DONGFENG Dolica 10 cubic compressed garbage truck. It's an integrated professional sanitation vehicle for sealing, compressing, and transporting. With superload capacity and environmental protection performance. It has a mass of 11,995 kilograms and a weight load of 5,100 kilograms. And it has also met the standard 10 cubic meter box value, and it also adopts the National 6 emission standard. It's very eco-friendly and flexible for narrow roads and urban areas. It uses a DONGFENG Dolica chassis with a Yuchai 165 horsepower and a National 6 engine, 6-speed gearbox, air conditioning, electric glass, and key parts like ABS and hydraulic systems. With control boxes in the cab and at the tail. It supports automatic, manual, and remote control mode. Various tipping mechanisms are adapting to all work. The upper box is made of Wuhan Iron and special steel with robot welding. It has a multi-way valve and Siemens PLC with remote British sealed cylinders and a double sewage tank to avoid pollution. It's easy to operate with remote modes and optional tipping mechanisms. The DONGFENG Dolica 10 cubic compressed garbage truck is powerful in load, eco-friendly, and stable in performance, humanized in operation. It's a really good choice for the peaceful sanitation and the property community. And we now also have the perfect after-sale services, such as free training and lifetime check. And we also have the free maintenance within 1 year. If you have interest in it, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.